Looks like a wooden desk here. We need to go out and go over that way.
So they had a stage down here.
They did.
Like I said, it was a gymnasium up there. Stage down there. It looks up. Awesome. Let's see what's over on this side.
And I got all kinds of perky things on me. Yeah, there ain't too much here to see. To go around. I love these windows. Wow. There's a bathroom out here. What is this? Hey, what is this? Did you shine your light here? I can't see it because I don't have a flashlight. What is that? Some weird metal thing?
Yeah, I can't tell what the heck it is.
This is that hole in the ceiling that we were looking at from up there, huh? That was a little wooden bathroom.
Some people just climb straight down that way.
Yeah. That didn't look like a good option to me. Huh. They got all kinds of rusted old barrels. Can't see, but there's one in the corner there.
The boards are slippery. And watch for nails, too.
Yeah.
This one has nails. I didn't see any on the others. You never know when you step down, you don't want to step on it.
I'll find out if there's one when I step on it, won't I? Hee hee. Ow! Pricky thorns. Get off me. Ow. Dang, there's all kinds of little rooms in here. What is these? All like electrical stuff?
Yeah,
Look at that.
I mean, electrical room for everything. Or something.
Wow, look at all these. Look at all these boxes.
Huh.
Look at this.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Was this a... Oh, it does. I always gotta pull everything. Look out there. Look, Philip, look out that window. It just looks, it's a cool view right there. Looking out.
That would have been awesome the way they got this back here.
Yeah.
When it was all together.
Stairs going down. Jeez, this place is huge. Had no idea. What is that?
Room or whatever. There's another thing.
Another thing what?
Oh no, it's just water.
Oh.
What the heck was it though?
Huh. Oh, jeez. Look at this. Whoa, look at that big tank.
Oh, that's what that water hole was.
There's a little tank beside it.
I wonder what's up there. That's what I'm curious about. Man, Bonnie needs to get down here.
Are those fenders from cars over there? Those are, aren't they?
Maybe get Bonnie. Bonnie!